Hi everyone, let's understand this problem statement, longest repeating character replacement. So you are given a string S and integer k. You can choose any character of the string and change it to any other uppercase English character. So basically S contains all uppercase English letters. So what they are saying is that you can change any character from like one character to another character only in uppercases, and you can perform this operation at max k times. So they are also given k, and you can, let's say, changing the character, then you can only change 2 times in this particular test case. Return the length of the longest substring containing the same letter you can get after performing the above operation. So after performing that particular operation, you are basically asked to return the length of the substring which has all same characters. So basically, if I take this S, if k is the 2, then I can change all b to a, or I can change all a to b as well. So the answer will be 4 in this case. So if I have to write a brute force solution for this, it would be big of n squared to generate all the substrings and then check if all the characters are same or not after the replacement. So how do I check if all characters are same or not? So basically, whenever we want to change this, let's consider this as a substring, and if we can change one character, that is b. So which one do we change? Do we change the most frequent one or the least frequent one? So basically, we will always change the other values apart from the max frequent character, because we need max frequent character to ensure that we generate with less number of operations. What do I mean by that is, let's say this one, if I have to change from all A's, it would take me 3 operations, but if I have to change B, it will take me 1 operation. So which one would I prefer? I would prefer less number of operations, which is nothing but least frequently occurring. So I will keep my most frequently occurring characters constant. I will not be changing them. That's one thing which you have to remember. So now let's understand a better solution using a sliding window and 2-pointer approach. For that, let me take this example. So sliding window with 2-pointer is nothing but these are my L and R. So my string will be A currently, length will be A, sorry, length will be 1, and I will be checking if length minus max frequency is less than or equal to k or not. That's when I'll be able to update my result. So I'll keep my result as 0 currently. So length is, and also we, to get the frequency, we are maintaining a map. So I will be inserting a into my map frequency as well. So length is 1 currently. Maximum frequency of all the characters is, we just have a single character 1, less than or equal to 1. So k is 1 given here. So now the result is 1 because this condition is true. Now what will I do? I will be expanding my substring, so AA, and length will be 2. I will be incrementing my frequency, and this will be 2 minus 1. 1 is less than or equal to 1, which is true. So I will still go ahead and expand my substring. B is 1, we will add here, and the length is 3. 3 minus 1 is 3 minus maximum frequency is 2. So 1 less than or equal to 1, true. Again I will keep okay, we also have to update our result with the length of the string. So currently it is 3. Now I will have AABA, length will be 4, and max frequency is nothing but we have 3 A's and 1 B. So max frequency is 3. 4 minus 3 is less than or equal to 1, true. In that case, I will be updating my answer with 4. Now I'll get AABAB, right? Length will be 5, max frequency will be 2, still 3. 5 minus 3 will be 2. 2 is less than or equal to 1, which is wrong. So this condition is not met. So that means any substring like after AABAB, if I even expand further, I will not be able to find the answer, right? Because it will always contain this substring. So we are going to stop it here, and we are going to increment r1. So, and also we had to increment our r, but like it is currently at 4 because 0 1 2 3 4, right? 4. So now we will be incrementing our l to 1. Now we will again, we have all these characters already, a b a b. Now I have to remove this character a. So when I remove that character, my substring will be this ABAB, and I will be removing this particular count to 2, and my length will be 4. 4 minus 3 is less than or equal to 1. It's no, wait. So we have ABAB 2 2, and max frequency is 2. 4 minus 2 is like 2 less than or equal to 1, which is wrong. So we will not be exploring further in this particular thing. Then L will be moving to 2. That means currently we have BAB length is 3, and we also have to remove the frequency from our map. Now the length is 3. The most frequent element is B, nothing but 2. 3 minus 2 less than or equal to 1. Yes, it is true. BAB. Now in this case, what are we trying to do? We already got the result of length 4, so we will not be updating anything here. Now again, I will be expanding BAB. BAB is like 3, and length is 4. 4 minus max frequent is now currently B character of length 3, less than or equal to, yes. So here also we got the answer as 4, but we already have an answer of 4. We are not going to update it. Now it, like we are currently at pointer 5, and now we are going to 6. So BABBA of length 5. So, and we have A as to length is 5. Maximum frequency is still B. 5 minus 3, 2 is less than or equal to 1, which means this is not a valid string of having all the same characters, because it's not possible, because this condition is failing. So we will again increment our L. So when we increment our L, now we will be removing our B. We will be decrementing our B frequency, and then checking with 4, and so on. Basically we keep increment. So whenever we are incrementing L, that happens only when this condition is not met. So let's try to write our code for this. So first result is 0. Let map is equals to new map. Let L is equals to 0 in the initial. Then let R is equals to 0. R is less than S dot length R plus plus. Now what are we going to do? First, whenever we get a character, we will see if it is present or not. If it is not present, we will insert let current frequency is equals to, we have to get map dot get of S of R. If it is not present, we will initialize it to 0, and then we will initialize map dot set of S of R comma current frequency plus 1. So we are initializing it into the map first, and then we are going to get the length. Length is nothing but r minus l plus 1. And what are we going to do? We are going to, we have incremented, we have checked it. We also have to ensure that if not of length minus max frequency, how are we going to get the max frequency? We got the max. So basically we are going to get the all values, and among that we are going to get the maximum using the math.max method. So this will take big of 26, because there will be only 26 uppercase characters. So this is a big O of one operation. So if it is not the case, we are going to increment our L. Before incrementing that, what are we going to do? We were also decrementing our count of that particular character. So how are we going to do? Set of s of L, s of set L, s of map dot get of s of L minus 1. So we are going to remove it, and then we are going to calculate the result using mat.max of result comma r minus L plus 1. I cannot use the same length variable because L might have changed here. So we have to recalculate it, r minus L plus 1. Then we will be returning the result. So let's now run this. Okay, it's successful. Let's also submit it. Got it. Now let's understand the time and space complexity for this solution. Time complexity is basically, at max we are iterating over every character twice, so big O of 1 on this, because L and R pointers keep moving. So at max 2 times, and it will be big O of 1. And we are using a map. So this map will always contain uppercase letters, which will be 26. So big O of 26 is nothing but big O of 1. And this is a constant time. So all of them are constant time operations, and this is big O of 26 like as I mentioned. So it will be overall big O of n solution, and space is big O of 1. So I hope the solution is clear. Thank you.